We have saging guys from Philippines. Pero hindi ko na siya linuto. I miss to eat like this. Diba guys, sa Pilipinas ganito natin kinakain. May nagbigay guys, 2 piraso lang. Kainin ko na lang. Sarap. No need to cook, only one. Very matamis. Too much sweet guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye.